Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're sizing up the Acer Nitro V15, a budget gaming laptop that promises sleek metal styling and solid performance. But in 2025's crowded entry-level gaming market, does it still hit the mark? Let's break it down. Reminder, all product links are in the description if you'd like to check them out. First off, the Nitro V15 impresses with a slim profile and brushed aluminum lid, much sharper looking than most sub-$800 machines. Weighing around 2.2 kilograms, approximately 4.8 pounds, it's lighter than many rivals, making it easier to carry. Though the chassis combines metal and plastic, overall rigidity feels good. The lid opens easily with one hand and hinges hold firm. You get a crisp 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen, usually offering 144 Hz refresh. Brightness hovers around 300 nits, and color coverage is decent, typically in the 90 to 95% sRGB range. It's vivid, smooth, and fine for gaming or binging Netflix sessions. The keyboard is a highlight. Scissor switch keys with around 1.6mm travel, per key RGB lighting, and a tactile feel that's great for late night fragging or typing. The spacious trackpad is responsive, but purity seekers will still want a mouse for serious gaming. Underneath, configurations usually include Intel Core i5 or i7 13th-14th Gen or Ryzen 5 7 paired with NVIDIA RTX 4050 or 4060 mobile GPUs and up to 32GB DDR5. That's solid for 1080p gaming, Cyberpunk 2077, Apex Legends, Call of Duty. Expect smooth 60+ FPS at high settings. Ray tracing works alright, especially when paired with DLSS or FSR. Everyday productivity is snappy thanks to fast SSD storage. Multitasking holds up well, though overheating starts to creep in third-hour gaming sessions. More on that next. The Nitro V15 comes with dual fans and 4 heat pipes. During light work, it's whisper quiet. Push it into gaming territory and the fans ramp noticeably. Expect audible hum during extended play. Surface temps stay manageable. Wrist rest rarely hits uncomfortably warm, but bottom vents can get toasty, especially on soft surfaces like beds or laps. Still, no aggressive throttling was observed in our testing. Battery life clocks in at about 3 to 5 hours of mixed use. Fine for short study sessions or work, but plan to plug in for gaming. Build-wise, although the lid is metal, the bottom and palm rest lean plasticky. Over time, some users note slight creaks around vents. Also, the webcam and speakers are on the modest side. Adequate, but not audiophile grade. Pro's sleek mix of metal and plastic design, more premium look than other budget rigs. Lightweight and portable for a gaming laptop. Smooth 144Hz IPS display with good brightness and color. Competitive 1080p gaming performance with modern RTX GPUs. Per key RGB keyboard makes gaming or typing satisfying. Cons: fans get loud under heavy load. Battery life is average. Needs power for decent runtime. Plastic elements and weak speakers. Slight flex/creak reported with long-term wear. The Acer Nitro V15 is a standout choice if you want entry-level gaming power wrapped in a sleeker, lighter package. It nails the essentials: solid 1080p performance, a clean-looking design, and a satisfying keyboard. It's not flawless. Fans buzz when gaming, the battery sips power, and some build areas feel less premium. But if you want a stylish portable rig that can still drive modern games, the Nitro V15 remains a smart pick. If this review helped you, smash that like button. New here, subscribe and ring the bell. You deserve top-tier gear guidance. Out of your top 5 value gaming laptops this year, this one's easy to carry and game. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.